This video explains 10Base5 Ethernet for beginners. "10Base5 is also known as thick Ethernet or thicknet. It represents a foundational technology in computer networking. It was the first commercially available form of Ethernet. It was standardized in 1982 as IEEE 802.3. 10Base5 utilizes a thick coaxial cable up to 500 meters long. 10Base5 dates back to the 1970s when Xerox PARC developed the technology. The aim was to create a robust and efficient method for connecting computers within a local area network or LAN. In 1983, it was officially standardized by the IEEE 802.3 committee. The name 10Base5 comes from its 10 megabits per second transmission speed, baseband signaling, and a maximum segment length of 500 meters. 10Base5 networks employ a bus topology, linearly wiring computers using a long, thick cable. A segment of 10Base5 can be up to 500 meters long. Segments can be connected using repeaters to extend the network. It follows the 5-4-3 rule. A maximum of 5 segments are connected by 4 repeaters, with only 3 segments having stations attached. Up to 100 stations can be connected to a 10Base5 cable using vampire taps. A transceiver is attached via a cable-piercing connector. It links the computer's network interface card, NIC, to the thicknet cable through a drop cable. The minimum distance between transceivers must be 2.5 meters. Drop cables can be up to 50 meters long. Cumbersome installation, maintenance difficulties, and limited speed made 10Base5 unpopular. It was superseded by 10Base2, thicknet, and, later, twisted pair cabling standards such as 10Base-T. They were more convenient and cheaper alternatives. Also, modern Ethernet standards like Fast Ethernet, Gigabit Ethernet, and beyond offer higher speeds and easier management. In 2003, the IEEE 802.3 working group deprecated 10Base5 for new installations. 10Base5's legacy lies in its role as the first commercially available Ethernet variant. It paved the way for the development of modern networking technologies.